Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today we are with the Tesla Model 3 and we are replacing the air filters. And there is two of them, and these are the two that we got. And it has the two little pull tabs on it. And where you access this is right in here on the passenger side. So let's get this mat out of the way. And you have an access panel here that you have to pull out. So it has a bunch of little tabs on it. So start pulling. It's going to sound pretty weird and bad, but they're all like kind of a pressure fit. And then you got all those tabs. Fits in. All right, and it looks like all the clips, a couple of clips came out, like this one right here. So let me get my plier, line up where. So this one here at the bottom came out. Put that one there. This top one stayed in there. That one's there. Another one got stuck in a position right there, and I think there's one back here. Not super critical, but I like to make sure that they'll fit in there okay. So I'll take that out of the way. Now you have the compartment, which is basically going to be behind here. Actually, let's get this little orange cable out of the way. Okay, so listen a little bit better. Oh, here it is. Okay. So you pull this orange cable out of the way. Got one here on top, but we're going to pull down this little access panel here. It's got this little clip piece here that you kind of pull out. Put that down there. And we got one on this side. Put that there. This little, oh, there we go, we got a third one. Okay. And this pops down. We'll just move it out of the way. You can disconnect the speaker and this little connection here, but not 100% necessary. I'll pull this last little clip out. There's a little retaining piece there. And then it's got a Allen key up here on top. So we'll have to mess around and get in there, find out what size that is, and we'll be right back. It's basically a T20 little socket. And it's I don't know if you can kind of see that. And a little 1/4-inch socket. It is way up here. And I'm gonna have to get a little angle piece on it. So I'll be right back again. Alright, we're gonna need a little universal piece to get in there. And hopefully you guys can kind of... How about now?
Can't see the screw at all.
How about that?
No. It's just such a weird angle.
Alright, so hopefully I can get this to focus. which is hard, but see how I got the universal thing? It's a little fuzzy. I know it's a weird angle to get in there, but that is your T20. And once you get to a certain point, you should be able to get it out with your finger, but it's still in tight pretty good there. And thank you, Tesla, for making this such a fun little piece of engineering. Change your air filter, which we're all supposed to be environmentally conscious and breathe in our air, and this is super difficult to get to. Okay. All right, so I think I got it loose enough now that you can kind of get it by hand, so get that out. Okay, so now we can basically pop that little compartment open, and you'll be able to see the tab for the first air filter. So we'll pull that one out. So, and that one's not that dirty. Well, yeah, you can kind of see it's got some debris in it. So get that one. Then next, you'll feel a tab for the one that's lower. Basically just lift up. You see that okay?
Not really.
How about now?
No.
Alright, so you're going to be lifting up. Get that to the top, and then you can pull that bottom one out. So there that goes. Lower one, that one is full of debris, so let's clean that out real quick. Okay, let's put that. Alright, so let's get these air filters in here. How about that? Better angle?
Yeah.
Okay. One in first, and hold the tab, and you'll feel it drop into place. And then we'll grab a second one. And again, this is a fun angle to get into, but push that one in. Just fold that little tab out of the way. You got both the air filters in. And then we'll put this little door in. And you feel the groove where it goes. And then it goes in on top. And then we'll get our screw going in here. How's that angle?
Bad.
It's my finger. Okay. And put the screw back in. How's that angle?
Nothing.
How about that?
A little more of your hands. Yeah, that's better there.
Alright, so tough camera angle, but hopefully you can kind of see where I'm at. And what I'm doing with the socket is I got the universal joint on it, on the T20. And I'm kind of doing it by hand, but I'm using the wrench to get enough torque to close that door down. Okay, well, we're good there. So what we can do is we can mount our orange wires back into place. You got this little bottom clip here that fits onto. Alright, so let's see if I can't get this a little bit better melted in here. Okay. Then at the top piece, and we'll get this bottom vent cover back into place. And you'll feel it's got a little bit of a clip up here, so you're gonna be like pushing it back into place. Okay, now it all snaps in. Then we got these little push plugs. Push back in. Okay. I'll put this little kick plate in and just kind of line this one back piece up, and then you'll kind of feel all the clips go back into place. Then after a nice clean vacuum, we'll be good to go. Anyway, Brian from Garage Hall, thanks for watching, and that is your Model Tesla 3 air filter, I guess, swap out. All right, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.